The Affiliate Marketing Roadmap. Do you hate your job? Are you tired of your boss? Does your coworkers get under your skin? Well, if you answered yes to any of these questions, then affiliate marketing may be just what you are looking for. If done right, you can make money easily with minimal time and effort invested. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service, whether it be through your own website, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or some other means. You just provide your visitors, potential customers, with a clickable link which leads to a vendor's website, and if a purchase is made through that link, you receive a commission at no cost to the customer who clicks the link and makes the purchase. Affiliate marketing is revenue sharing where you, the affiliate, drives traffic to a vendor's website in exchange for referral commissions. When a visitor to your site clicks on the affiliate link that leads to the vendor's website and completes a purchase, you get a commission on every item they buy. You see, there is absolutely no need to worry about having a product or service to sell. And, you don't even have to worry about inventory, shipping, returns, exchanges, refunds, or even customer service. Affiliate marketing allows you to work stress-free from home promoting other people's products, making residual passive income, even while you sleep. Speaking of sleep, many people dread hearing that 6 a.m. alarm, signaling that it is time to face another grueling, tension-filled day of work, and don't know what to do about it. Well, I'm here to tell you that working from home making residual passive income with affiliate marketing can be your way out of the rat race. Affiliate marketing affords you the opportunity to have peace of mind and true freedom. Freedom of time and location. Sure, you can do affiliate marketing from the luxury of your own home, but you don't have to. The beauty about affiliate marketing is that you can be anywhere you choose to be in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, and still do your job, if you so choose to work at all. The first thing to consider when deciding if affiliate marketing is a right fit for you would be to decide on a niche and domain name. Secondly, you must decide on whether or not you'll be promoting via your own website or social media. A word to the wise, even though you don't necessarily need a website to be an affiliate marketer, it is to your advantage to have one. By having your own website, which is like your home base, it affords you the opportunity to maximize your efforts and profits, giving you a place to drive traffic to promote your own products or services, as well as giving you another place to promote your affiliate products. Also, having your own website, coupled with an email service provider, gives you a place to have an opt-in form, through which you can start to build an email list so that you can promote future offers to your potential customers. However, the first thing you want to do is determine your goals. What do you want to accomplish by becoming an affiliate marketer? Are you simply getting into it for the extra income it can provide, or are you genuinely interested in helping others by solving their problems? Do you want to do affiliate marketing as a part-time job or as your full-time job? A word of warning, if you are simply in it for the money, you probably won't have much success. The second thing you want to determine is, what do you have to offer your potential audience? Is there a market for whatever it is that you plan on delivering to your audience? In other words, what is your niche going to be? Note, this requires you to do some keyword research to see if there is a market, people looking for what you have to offer. You can use Google and Google Keyword Planner for this, which is free. The third thing you want to determine is, are you going to promote physical products, digital products, or a service? The fourth thing which needs to be determined is, how are you going to build and get your audience's attention? The know, like, and trust factor. The fifth thing, which needs to be given careful consideration is, what is your domain name going to be? Is it going to be your name which is used for familiarity and branding? Or, is it going to be some sort of unique, memorable, catchy phrase that relates to your niche? After you have figured out the aforementioned considerations, now it is time to dive deeper into the work part of becoming an affiliate marketer. To be a successful affiliate marketer, it requires a lot of work up front so that you can reap the rewards of that hard work later in the form of residual passive income. But, make no mistake about it, there will always be work to be done, on some level. Having said that, it's time to get to work. There is so much to learn about affiliate marketing, no one knows everything there is to know about affiliate marketing. There are too many moving parts that are ever changing. But, nonetheless, you can learn something from anybody, even if that something is what not to do. So, stop with the excessive researching, overwhelming yourself with the oftentimes conflicting information that you find on the various websites and YouTube videos, and just get started. If you just keep researching, trying to learn everything there is to know about affiliate marketing, you will never get started. Learn as you go. Research what you need to know as you arrive at that need. Do not get caught up in the regurgitated nonsense that many online marketers present you with, oftentimes keeping you in a cyclical pattern of inaction. To allow yourself to be diverted from your goal is a big mistake. Your focus should be to create and provide valuable, helpful content and offers that actually solves problems for your audience members. At all costs, you must resist the temptation to click on those links that will lead you down a rabbit hole into a maze of confusion. Stay the course developing a strategy and a system, then proceed to execute your plan. Once you have established your online presence and gained a following, then you can continue to delve deeper into research on how to perform a given task. Stop procrastinating and get in the game. Face your fear of the unknown head on. Don't be afraid to fail. Sometimes failure can be the best teacher. After all, how do you know who to listen to? How do you know who is telling you the truth? You have to get started and experience the ride for yourself and make the necessary adjustments along the way. In the end, it really depends on how willing and determined you are to succeed. The world can truly be yours if you are willing to put in the work. When you are first starting out, probably the 3 easiest ways for beginners to promote their offers would be to write product reviews on products or services you want to promote and include your affiliate link within that review. Create YouTube video tutorials and include your affiliate link within the description. You can also include a resource page on your website that includes links to the affiliate offers you are promoting. Now you know the basics, take the first step necessary to succeed. Let's go. I have provided some helpful resource links in the description below to help you on your way. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you can be one of the first to be notified when I release new content. Thanks for watching.